Can you sing me a song about sweet potato? Leave it. Abigail, this is very heavy.
Let me give it to die yours.
Yeah. You sang a song about sweet potato. Do you know that song? Where are you going? Where are you going? Are you going to be a teacher now? No? Are you going to Costco? Where are you going? You're not going anywhere? Who is out there? Emma?
Yeah.
And what is the dog's name?
Luke.
Luke? Do you like to play with Luke? You have such a nice belt.
Huh?
Your belt is like flowers, like butterflies. No, can you throw the ball up high? Wow, that was almost to the sky. Was it almost to the sky? What? Abigail, it's super, super high. You got it. You got. Can you do the dance? I got it. You don't want to? Abigail, that's so high.
Bye.
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 Who is my sweet papaya? Who is my sweet papaya?
Maya.
No, Mommy.
There's no shoes, so I can't pick you up. So you have to go with him. There's no shoes on. He has no shoes on.
Who has no shoes?
He.
What is his name?
Joshua.
Joshua has no shoes? How come?
It doesn't say.
And do you have shoes?
No.
Where are your shoes?
But I don't need shoes.
You don't need shoes? Why does Joshua need shoes? So sad? Why is it so sad?
Because it has it's so sad.
Because what?
Because he has killed a Tinana because he was so sad. Yeah. Yeah. There's no shoes on.
Joshua has no shoes on. It's so sad.
Yeah. Those are things that from my hand put into the
אביגל, אם רק הייתי מבינה מה שאת מקשקשת.
Yeah. No shoes on.
How does סבתא say, מה? מה קרה? סבתא says, מה?
Look.
What's that?
Josh, you what? You kicked off his shoes. Josh.
Joshua kicked off his shoes?
Yeah.
Why?
Then Joshua became so sad because I'm so sad.
You're also so sad.
Yeah.
Why are you so sad?
Because Joshua hit me in the head.
Joshua hit you in the head?
Yeah.
That's bad. That's not so good. So sad. So sad.
You want a nickel?
And do you want to show me what you do in gymnastics?
I did go to.
Am I going to take you to gymnastics on Thursday?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Wave here in the sky and window so I can see you. Okay?
Okay. And now you're going to do gymnastics all by yourself?
Yeah.
What are you going to do?
Look. His nose shoes on.
No.
No.
Well, he's sitting on top of your head?
Yeah.
That's not nice.
Yeah.
Joshua, what are you doing? Joshua! Oh no!
So sad, Joshua.
It's very sad. Abigail, where's your necklace?